Click on the link below to get price. The Honda 2200-watt gas-powered 49-state portable inverter generator with co-minder is an impressive piece of equipment that strikes a perfect balance between power, portability, and efficiency. With a robust 2,200 watts of continuous power output, it is ideal for camping, tailgating, or as a backup for home appliances during power outages. One of the standout features is Honda's inverter technology, which ensures a clean, stable power supply, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. This generator operates quietly, with a noise level comparable to a normal conversation, making it suitable for use in residential areas without disturbing the neighbors. The Eco-Throttle system is another remarkable feature. It automatically adjusts the engine speed based on the load, which not only conserves fuel but also reduces emissions and noise levels, extending the generator's runtime. The co-minder system is a noteworthy addition, continuously monitoring the generator's carbon monoxide levels. If CO levels become dangerously high, the system automatically shuts down the generator, providing an added layer of safety for users. The compact design and built-in handle make it easy to transport, weighing in at just over 47 pounds. Despite its lightweight nature, the generator is remarkably sturdy and designed to endure the rigors of outdoor conditions. Fuel efficiency is impressive, allowing for up to 8 hours of runtime at a quarter load on a single tank of gas. The generator's 0.95-gallon fuel tank is adequate for a full day's use, which is a significant advantage for camping or outdoor events. The two 120V outlets and a 12V DC outlet cater to a variety of devices, enhancing its versatility. In conclusion, the Honda 2200-watt gas-powered inverter generator with co-minder combines performance, safety, and convenience, making it a top choice for anyone in need of portable power. Its reliability and user-friendly features position it as a standout in the market, making it worth the investment for both casual users and serious outdoor enthusiasts.